Before you begin, remove the access panel, front bezel, and rotate the hard drive cage up. Removal. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cables from the wireless LAN board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade performance. Disconnect the antenna cable from the wireless LAN board with a pair of small needle nose pliers or tweezers. Remove the Phillips No. 1 screw that secures the card to the system board and allow it to release to the spring tension position. Grasp the card by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Replacement. Match the notch on the card with the key in the socket and gently push the card into place. Press the card down and replace the Phillips No. 1 screw that secures the card to the system board. Reconnect the antenna connectors to the wireless LAN board. The antenna connectors are labeled 1 and 2 and should be connected to the corresponding 1 and 2 labeled ports on the wireless LAN board. Caution: use care when connecting the wireless LAN antenna cables to the wireless LAN board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade performance.